Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a grilled ham and cheese. Got the last of my honey baked ham, so I'm going to cook it up, make a nice little sandwich. And don't forget, we are giving away a griddle for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Come in, check out these ingredients, and let's get it going. All right, so we got 3 slices of pepper jack cheese. We have 4 slices of the honey baked ham. That is all we have left, so let's throw it in here, huh? We got some 2 slices of country white bread. We have a little bit of sliced onion that I'm gonna put some of this on. I just got this for Christmas. I'm gonna try it out on these onions. And then we got the sauce right here. This is what I'm gonna fry the bread up with. This is mayo, garlic, and a little bit of sriracha. All right, we got the griddle at like 350. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna get these onions down first. There we go. Let's get those turned up. Not very much onions. I'm just making one sandwich here. Just gonna be a quick little cook. All right, let's just put them there like that. And let's put a little bit of this Cajun on here. Actually, here, let's throw this ham on. Let's hurry up and get this going. All right. Boom. Let's get that stuff going. Put a little bit of that on there. That should be good. Oh, that smells good. Ooh, that Cajun smells really good. And I also saw that Blackstone came out with like sauces, like a teriyaki sauce and some Korean sweet sauce or something like that. I don't know, but I really want to get some of that. All right, now let's just let this stuff cook up. That stuff's not going to take long. The ham is already cooked, so I ain't got to worry about none of that. Let's get going on this bread. Now this mayo, I have found that I like mayo to toast the bread, like on a grilled cheese and that kind of stuff, way better than butter. I don't know what it is, but just gives it a way better flavor. It's not as plain. And then the garlic, I got the idea from the, what was it, Disney grilled cheese that I'd made. That thing was amazing. Oh yeah, look at that ham. That's cooking up real good. There we go. All right, just let that stuff go how it is. Now we got that ready. I'm not gonna do the other one yet. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you back when I'm ready to put this together. All right, we're gonna start building this thing now. So I'm just gonna put this one flat down. I have these 2 burners on low right now. So boom. Yeah, bread down. We got a piece of cheese. We're gonna start with 2 pieces of ham. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. All right, 2 pieces of ham. We're gonna throw the onion. Just pop them right down on there. Gonna throw another piece of cheese. Ooh. And Alright, now a piece of cheese. And the bread. Now that's our sandwich. Now I'm gonna put this press on it right like that. So I want this thing to get a nice sear on the bottom. And that's looking good. I'm gonna bring it right back when we're ready to flip it. All right, so I'm gonna take this off. It's gonna leave you right there. I'm gonna take some more of this spicy mayo. Put that right there. Get that all over. Man, and I'll tell you what, this garlic in the sauce is so good. All right, there we go. Let's see how we're doing under here. Doesn't want to stay with me. Yeah, let's get you off over here. Here we go. Oh, baby. Look at this sandwich. That is just a thing of beauty. Boom. Get a nice little fry on that side. We're just about ready. You can't even tell me that don't look good. All right, let's give this thing a flip. Let's see how we look. Baby, that looks so good. All right. Y'all see this. This looks amazing. This is gonna be really hot, I know it. Ooh, baby, look at that ham. Ooh. So the fry on this thing is perfect. That ham is delicious. It's juicy. I got a hint of the that Cajun on the onion. Nice crunchiness on them onions too. And I could get a little bit of hint of the Sriracha that I put in the mayo. But I mean, it's not spicy or anything. It's got some nice creaminess from the cheese. But man, is this good. Ooh. That might be one of my favorite. That is good. Hands down, that's one of my favorite sandwiches I've made on the griddle. All right, well, I'm gonna get in and eat. Don't forget, demolish that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And remember, we're giving away a griddle for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which I'm hoping will be around April or so. So be ready for that. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.